Imagine mining Bitcoin without the hassle of expensive equipment or technical expertise. No more dealing with the noise, heat, and constant maintenance of mining rigs. Instead, you can mine Bitcoin from the comfort of your home, using just your computer or smartphone. That's the promise of cloud mining. This innovative approach leverages the power of cloud computing to make Bitcoin mining accessible to everyone. It's a way to participate in the Bitcoin network and potentially earn rewards without the complexities of traditional mining. You don't need to understand the intricate details of blockchain technology or the technicalities of setting up mining hardware. Instead of setting up your own mining rig, you rent computing power from a specialized data center. These centers are equipped with high-performance hardware and are managed by experts who ensure everything runs smoothly. These centers handle all the technical aspects, from hardware maintenance to electricity costs. This means you don't have to worry about the operational challenges that come with traditional mining. You simply invest in a mining contract and receive a share of the profits, if any. The process is straightforward. Choose a plan, make a payment, and start earning. Cloud mining opened up Bitcoin mining to a wider audience. It democratized the process, allowing people from all walks of life to participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. It offered a seemingly simple and accessible entry point for those who were intimidated by the technical barriers and high costs of traditional mining. With cloud mining, you can start small and scale up as you become more comfortable. However, as with any investment opportunity, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to understand both the potential rewards and inherent risks before diving in. Always do your research and consider the credibility of the cloud mining service provider. Be aware of potential scams and fraudulent schemes. Not all cloud mining services are legitimate, and some may promise high returns but fail to deliver. Look for reviews, check for transparency, and ensure the company has a good track record. If done correctly, cloud mining can be a rewarding venture. It allows you to be part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and potentially earn profits without the need for extensive technical knowledge or significant upfront investment. So, take your time, do your homework, and happy mining. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Cloud mining essentially involves renting computing power from a company that owns and operates large-scale mining farms. These companies have invested heavily in infrastructure, setting up expansive data centers filled with rows upon rows of powerful servers. These servers are specifically designed to handle the intensive computational tasks required for mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. By renting out their computing power, these companies can offset their operational costs while providing individuals with an opportunity to participate in the mining process without needing to invest in expensive hardware themselves. These farms are equipped with specialized hardware designed to solve complex mathematical problems, which is the core process of Bitcoin mining. The hardware, often referred to as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, is optimized for the sole purpose of mining. This means they can perform the necessary calculations much faster and more efficiently than general-purpose computers. The technicians working on these rigs ensure that they are always running at peak performance, minimizing downtime and maximizing the potential for profit. When you purchase a cloud mining contract, you're essentially buying a portion of the farm's hashing power for a specific period. This contract outlines the terms of your rental agreement, including the duration, the amount of hashing power you're renting, and the associated costs. The process is straightforward and can often be completed entirely online, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Once the contract is in place, you can start earning a share of the Bitcoin mined by the farm. Hashing power refers to the computational power dedicated to solving these mathematical problems. The more hashing power you have, the greater your chances of successfully mining a block and earning Bitcoin. This power is measured in hashes per second, and the higher the number, the more calculations your rented equipment can perform. This is a critical factor in determining your potential earnings from cloud mining. The mining farm uses its combined hashing power to mine Bitcoin, and your share of the profits is determined by the amount of hashing power you've rented. Essentially, the more power you rent, the larger your share of the mined Bitcoin. The farm pools all the hashing power from its various contracts to increase the overall efficiency and likelihood of mining success. This pooled approach ensures that even small investors can benefit from the collective power of the entire farm. In essence, you're paying for the right to receive a portion of the Bitcoin mined by the farm. Once the Bitcoin is mined, it is distributed among all the contract holders based on their share of the hashing power. The payouts are typically made directly to your digital wallet, allowing you to easily access and manage your earnings. This passive income stream can be an attractive option for those looking to invest in Bitcoin, without the technical challenges of setting up and maintaining their own mining equipment. However, the profitability of cloud mining is not guaranteed. The value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, and fluctuations in its price can significantly impact your returns. Additionally, the difficulty of mining can increase over time, requiring more computational power to achieve the same results. This means that the same amount of hashing power may yield fewer Bitcoins as time goes on. It's also important to consider the fees charged by the cloud mining provider, which can eat into your profits. It depends on several factors, including the price of Bitcoin, the mining difficulty, and the fees charged by the cloud mining provider. Before investing in a cloud mining contract, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the potential risks and rewards. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make a more informed decision and increase your chances of achieving a profitable outcome. Cloud mining can be a convenient way to participate in the Bitcoin ecosystem, but like any investment, it comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. Within the realm of cloud mining, there are two primary types to consider: hosted mining and leased hash power. Each of these options offers unique benefits and drawbacks, catering to different needs and preferences. Each comes with its own set of characteristics and considerations. Understanding these can help you make a more informed decision. Hosted mining. This involves renting a physical mining rig located in a provider's data center. Essentially, you are leasing the hardware itself. You have more control over the hardware and its configuration. This means you can optimize the settings to suit your specific needs and potentially increase efficiency. However, you're also responsible for some aspects of maintenance and setup. This can include troubleshooting hardware issues and ensuring the rig is running smoothly. Leased hash power. This is the more common type of cloud mining. Instead of renting physical hardware, you rent a specific amount of hashing power from a provider's mining farm. This means you don't have to worry about the physical aspects of mining. This option requires less technical involvement, but you have less control over the mining hardware. The provider manages the equipment, and you simply benefit from the hashing power. Understanding the distinction between these two types is crucial for making informed decisions about which cloud mining option aligns best with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Whether you prefer the hands-on approach of hosted mining or the convenience of leased hash power, knowing your options will help you navigate the cloud mining landscape more effectively. Cloud mining offers several potential advantages, particularly for those new to cryptocurrency mining accessibility. It removes the need for technical expertise and significant upfront investment. Ease of use. Reputable providers offer user-friendly platforms, making it easy to start and monitor your mining activities. Predictable costs. Contracts typically come with fixed costs, allowing for predictable expenses and potentially simplifying budgeting. Global access. You can participate in Bitcoin mining from anywhere with an internet connection. However, it's important to note that these potential benefits are not without their downsides, and a balanced perspective is crucial before venturing into cloud mining. Section 5. The downside risks to consider. While cloud mining might seem appealing, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved. Scams. The cloud mining industry has its share of fraudulent operations that prey on unsuspecting investors. Volatility. The price of Bitcoin is highly volatile and fluctuations can significantly impact profitability. Lack of control. You have limited control over the mining hardware and process, relying heavily on the provider's integrity. Hidden fees. Some providers might have hidden fees that can eat into your profits. Before committing to any cloud mining contract, thorough research, due diligence, and a healthy dose of skepticism are essential. Remember to subscribe for more insights and updates. Section 6. Profitability in 2025, a shifting landscape. The profitability of cloud mining in 2025 is subject to a complex interplay of factors, making it difficult to predict with certainty. The price of Bitcoin remains a primary driver of profitability. Higher prices generally make mining more lucrative. As more miners join the network, the difficulty of mining Bitcoin increases, potentially reducing profitability. The cloud mining landscape is becoming increasingly competitive, with providers vying for customers. The emergence of more efficient mining hardware could impact the profitability of older contracts. Given these uncertainties, a cautious approach to cloud mining investments is advisable. Thoroughly research the provider, understand the contract terms, and consider the potential risks before committing. Section 7. Choosing wisely. Identifying legitimate providers. Navigating the cloud mining landscape requires careful consideration to identify legitimate providers. Research the provider's track record, online reviews, and industry reputation. Look for established providers with a history of transparency. Choose providers that offer clear and detailed information about their operations, fees, and contract terms. Reputable providers often disclose the location of their mining farms. Transparency about their infrastructure is a positive sign. Responsive and helpful customer support is crucial, especially in an industry where technical issues can arise. Remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Exercise caution, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away from suspicious offers. Section 8. Avoiding pitfalls. Recognizing and evading scams. The allure of easy profits in the cryptocurrency space attracts scammers. Be wary of these red flags. Promises of guaranteed high returns with little to no risk are often too good to be true. Scammers often use high-pressure sales tactics, urging you to invest immediately to avoid missing out. Some scammers create fake websites that mimic legitimate cloud mining providers. Always double-check the URL and look for secure connections, HTTPS. Be wary of providers who are evasive about their operations, fees, or team members. If you encounter any of these red flags, it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid engaging further. Section 9. Alternatives to cloud mining. Exploring other avenues. If you're interested in participating in the Bitcoin ecosystem but have reservations about cloud mining, consider these alternatives. Join a mining pool to combine your computing power with others, increasing your chances of earning rewards. Invest directly in Bitcoin through a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Explore proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies that allow you to earn rewards by holding and staking their coins. Engage in cryptocurrency trading, buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to potentially profit from price fluctuations. Remember, each of these alternatives comes with its own risks and rewards. Thoroughly research and understand the intricacies of each option before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to Krytonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto.